Dan, how much of a shock is this as we watch Apple shares decline 8.25% after hours on top of a 30% slide in the last 3 months?
Yeah, look, I mean, this is a major black eye for Apple, especially the fact that all the data points are indicating softness, but the degree of softness that we're seeing in China is a bit of a jaw dropper. And I think that's what's really the focus here going forward in terms of what does the China demand story look like over the next few quarters. And as Josh alluded to, the lack of metrics, this is definitely it's a dark day for Apple and bulls.
What's going to happen to your price target?
I mean, look, I view this as a sum of the parts install base situation. Right now, sum of the parts, 140, 150. You're basically getting the iPhone franchise for 1 times. Obviously, near term, numbers are going to come down across the board in the street, but it comes down to, are they going to cut prices? Is this a 2 to 3 quarter sort of, massive sort of downtick that we're seeing? And then we start to see better pricing in terms of 2019. In that case, the install base in the iPhone story continues to be there. So this is this, in my opinion, for Cook is going to be a defining period how he and the company handles it, specifically around metrics and China demand.
I think, Mike, this is going to be an even bigger deal for the entire market and the economy. And when you hear Jay Powell, for instance, the Fed chairman, say it's not clear what the impact of the trade war is on the U.S. economy or on U.S. consumers, I think now we have a new case to point to, which is Apple, the biggest company in the world, lowering their guidance, having trouble seeing what's ahead, specifically blaming the China trade war and some of the weakness they're seeing in their stores. And not just for the Fed, I mean, for the president as well, and for all investors who are wondering about this global slowdown and how it's impacting U.S. companies and U.S. stocks.